We do things a little differently on this channel. Hey everyone, it's Mark. I'm here to help you put more money in your pocket through credit cards and smart financial habits. If that sounds good to you, then do me a quick favor and click on the like and subscribe buttons down below this video. Also check out the links I have posted down below in the description to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. It's now time for one of my favorite things ever, unboxing a brand new credit card. Now this card over here is not a new card from a new application. It's just the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature card that I've had for a while. In fact, here it is right here. So you're all probably very familiar with this gray metalish looking design. It is a metal card, so it sounds good when you drop it. But this card is nothing new. It's been around for a while. However, they released an all new design for the card that is now green in color with the Whole Foods branding on it. And as someone who enjoys shopping at Whole Foods, not necessarily for my day-to-day items, but more for specialty items that I want to get, and also because I like the color green, especially that fancy emerald green that is now on the card, I decided to call Chase and ask them to switch my card design from the Amazon Prime Rewards gray version over to the new Whole Foods design. And that's what's inside this envelope. So in case you're curious to see what the new card design is like up front in person, and also if it's still made out of metal or not, stay tuned for the rest of this video because we're gonna go open that envelope right now. And because you're watching an unboxing, or rather unenveloping video on this channel, you know it's not going to be your typical unboxing video, not even close. Nope, not even a little bit close. Let's see if this will work. I'm probably gonna ruin the card and all the paperwork inside even before I get halfway through it. Oh yeah, there we go. Hoorah! Okay, that's enough suspense. Let's go faster. Let's see what's inside here, without me showing you all my address and all that stuff too. So, first of all, Chase, who issues the card, sends you a prepaid, or is it prepaid? Yeah, prepaid envelope, kind of a thick one here, for you to mail back your old card. Because when cards are made out of metal, you can see that, let's see, did they say it on the back? Yep, at the very bottom here of the old card design, that the card contains metal and not to shred it, because that would cause a lot of problems in the shredder. So that's what this is for, to dispose of your old card. I'll put that, don't need that. I'll put that, I guess, right there. And then we actually have the card itself. I'm gonna use some black Post-it notes. I'm not kidding, they're real. Not very useful for writing notes because you can't see what you're writing, but they're great for covering up sensitive credit card information. All right, you guys ready to see the new card design? 3, 2, 1, here we go. There you have it, the all new Whole Foods card design here. I'll pull it off the piece of paper. When you get your new card, by the way, there are a few ways to activate it. You can either do it by calling Chase, it tells you over here, use the website or use the app. My credit limit here is $7,200. And then there is the rewards information as well, so I'll go over that in just a moment. I'm gonna clear out this mess here as well. Oh, and what do you want me to open a card with next time? Let me know down in the comments below. Some more black Post-it notes to cover up the back of the card. And I'm also gonna peel off that front sticker too. And there is the Whole Foods logo. Check it out. And there is the all new Whole Foods card design for the Amazon Prime Rewards Visa Signature card. Nice deep green color with a, I guess, faded carrot veggie background. Here's the reverse of the card as well. It does have contactless technology. It still says Chase in Prime there at the bottom because, again, it is the Amazon card, just with different card art. And then if you can see here, the metal strip as well. This card is a hybrid, so it's a metal core with both front and backs out of plastic. So here are both cards side by side. The Amazon Prime original design over here, or I guess the second or third generation. They did change up the logo a little bit. And then the new Whole Foods version here. Then the reverse of both cards as well. It's nice that they keep all the card info on the back to keep the front designs very clean. And yes, they are both metal cards as well. Which means we gotta do a drop test. Amazon Prime design. Whole Foods design. Pretty much the same. We'll do another round. Higher up this time. onto the floor it goes. Overall, the construction and weight of these cards seems to be totally identical, so there won't be any difference, but they do have a nice weight to them, very sleek. So yeah, overall, I really do like this new Whole Foods card design. Perhaps just because it's something different. And again, I do like to shop at Whole Foods. It's a very nice, clean, upscale environment. And I just get a few select specialty items there once or twice a month that I really enjoy having. Now, really quickly here, I do want to point out that the reward structures on these two cards are the same because they are the same credit card, just again with a different design. So check out this visual here on the screen, and you're able to see that both cards still earn in the same rewards tiers. 5% back at Amazon, 5% back at Whole Foods Market, 2% back at restaurants, gas stations, and drugstores, and then 1% back on everything else. So no change there at all. And whichever design you choose to apply for, there is no annual fee. Do keep in mind that there is an Amazon Prime membership fee of $119 per year as of the making of this video, plus tax in some states. Now, where these cards do differ a little bit, at least right now, is in terms of their welcome bonus. So let's take a look at the differences between those two right now. For the standard gray version of the Amazon Prime card, the current offer is to get a $70 Amazon gift card instantly upon approval. So if you apply for the card now and get approval on the spot, that $70 Amazon gift card will automatically be issued to your Amazon account electronically so that we can use it immediately for a purchase. Of course, this offer is subject to change and usually does change several times throughout the year. However, if you instead choose to get the Whole Foods Market design of this card, you can earn a $100 statement credit when you spend $100 in store at Whole Foods Market within 2 months of account opening. This offer is limited time, and of course it's subject to change over time as well. For that reason, if you normally shop at Whole Foods and would typically spend $100 anyway, then I do recommend you get this card now for this offer. So now we've got the same card with two different designs that you can choose from. Do be aware that if you want the Whole Foods Market design over here, that you must apply through the landing page that shows that design. If you just go through the normal flow through Amazon.com, and if that landing page shows the current gray version, then you'll get the gray version. Now, of course, this really only matters for the welcome offer itself. So if you like that Whole Food offer, get the Whole Foods design. If you like the Amazon gift card offer, then get the Amazon version instead. And yes, if you currently have the gray version of the card over here and want to switch over to the new green design for Whole Foods, all you gotta do is simply do what I did. Call the number on the reverse side of your card, speak with a representative, and just ask them to send you a replacement card with the new Whole Foods design. With that said, if you enjoyed today's video and believe it could benefit or entertain others, then please help me get it in front of more people by liking this video, subscribing to the channel, and turning on notifications. Also, check out the links I have posted down below in the description to apply for a new credit card and to get 2 free stocks from Webull when you open a new account and deposit $100 onto your brokerage account. I'd love to know which 2 free stocks you get. And I'm also curious, does anybody else out there like the new Whole Foods design, or do you prefer the traditional gray design for the Amazon Prime card? Let me know down below in the comments section. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. I hope it brought you some fun value and a little bit of entertainment too. I'll see you again in future videos, and until then, remember, you are great.